Hello everyone, welcome to MockBank. Let us solve one more problem from puzzle test series. Over here it says that A, B, C, D, E and F are 6 members of a group in which 3 are female members. All members work in 3 departments: account, administration and personnel, and sit on 3 floors: first, second and third. Now it also says that persons working in the same department are not on the same floor. On each floor only 2 persons work. What's the other piece of information? It says that no 2 ladies work in the same department. Now this information says that 2 men can work in the same department. Is it not? Most of the time students assume that if no 2 ladies can work in the same department, no 2 men can work in the same department as well. And that is not the case. And no 2 ladies cannot work on the same floor as well. B and E work in the same department, but that is not a personnel. B works in administration. E and A are on the first and third floors respectively and work in the same department. D, a lady, does not work on second floor. What is this information? Does not work on second floor, maybe first, maybe third. C, a man works on the first floor. So let us try to write this whole information very systematically. So what do we know? We know there are persons, genders are to be found out or to be given, departments where they work, and floors. There are actually 4 variables: person, gender, department and floor. So let us start writing this whole information in this systematic arrangement. It says that B and E work in the same department, but that is not the personnel. D works in administration. So let us say D works in admin. If D works in admin and B and E cannot work in personnel, I can tell you that B and E can work in which department? Administration. So B and E can work in what department? They can work in accounts, because D is working in accounts. B cannot go to personnel, so B for sure is going to accounts department. So B will be going for accounts, and likewise E will also be going for accounts. Now E and A are on the first and third floor. So E is on the first floor, A is on the third floor respectively, and they work in the same department. So if E is working in accounts, A for sure be working in accounts, right? D, a lady, so D is a female over here. D does not work on second floor. Alright. C, a man works on the first floor. C is a male and this person works on the first floor. Now can you see if M and E, they both are working on the same floor, and if C is a male, E cannot be a male. E has to be female, right? Now the moment we realize that E is a female, These two guys who are working in account department, they must be male, nothing else. So A is a male and B is also a male. Now we have got two ladies. One lady, D, is working in admin department and E is working in accounts department. So there is one thing that is very clear, that F is a female and she is working in personnel department, right? This lady is working in the personnel department. Now D, it says that cannot work on the second floor. If D is not on the second floor, first floor is already full. So where we are going to send D? D for sure is going to go on the third floor. Now we have got first floor, there are two people, B and C, working on the first floor. We have got A and D working on the third floor. The rest of the guys for sure are going to work on second floor. So B and F will be working on the second floor. Now since C is a male, we cannot say very assuringly that which department he works with. It can be accounts, or no account. It can be admin or it can be personnel. Any one of these could be. Had C been female, we could very easily have told as to which department she is working, but C is not a female, C is a male. And it says that no two female can work in the same department. And that's it. So this is what we have got. We are not very sure as to which department C is working, but it could be one of them, either admin or personnel, because we have already accommodated three people in accounts department, A, B and E. Now we very distinctly know that A, B, C are male, D, E, F are female. We also know the guy or the lady they are working on what floors. So now let us try to see our questions. The question is, which of the following group of persons are female? So last three were female, D, E and F. Now this is the answer. Which of the following pair works on second floor? We got B and F to work on the second floor. This is the answer. Which of the following pairs of persons working in the administration department? So how many of them are working in admin? As I told you that we do not know as to where C is working. So we'll go for data inadequate. What exactly is the difference between data inadequate and none of these? Data inadequate very simply is we don't have the sufficient data to solve this particular problem. Like in this case, we do not know that in which department C works. It could either be admin or it could be personnel. If you do not have the information, you will be going with data inadequate. How about one of these? You know the answer, but that answer is not here. So you can very easily say that people who are working in administration department, you know them very distinctly. But that option is not here. Had it been the case, you would have gone with none of these. I hope you're understanding the difference between data inadequate and none of these. F works in which department? F for sure is in personnel. And D works on which floor? D works on the third floor. Now the moment you have cracked the whole lot of thing, you have written the information very systematically, It becomes seconds of choosing your options and clicking them or answering them. Writing them takes a lot of time, or it would certainly not be taking a lot of time, but in the initial level of your preparation, it takes a lot of questions. You need to be solved as many questions as you can, and you will realize that you are getting much more comfortable in puzzle test problems. I hope that this video is going to assist you in formulating your strategy to tackle puzzle test problems. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.